Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Learning Assets. So in today's video, I'll show you that how you can convert a JSON file data into data frame. Okay, so to convert a JSON file data into data frame, will be will be having three options that we will use here. So three options are: first is multi-line is equals to true, second is using dot operator, and third is using explode keyword. Okay, so we will discuss each and every method later in this video. I'll tell you how and when this method can be used. Okay, so before we start writing our program, let me show you how JSON file looks like. Okay, so this is our JSON file sample2, which we are going to read in Spark. Okay, so as you can see that this file is multi-line capability and also having some hierarchical structure here. As you can see, address has some hierarchy, street address, city state, and phone number also having hierarchy itself. Okay, so with the help of Spark, we will read this file using multi-line is equals to true keyword first, and then we will see its schema type, and then accordingly we will use the other options, dot operator as well as explode. Okay, so let's begin. So let me open my Eclipse and create a Spark session. Master, and now app name. So application name we can set as JSON read. Okay, now get to create. So we have created here Spark session for Spark dot implicit. Okay, so now we will create a data frame here to read this file. For reading this file, we'll be using Spark read formula, Spark dot read dot format would be JSON because we are reading the JSON file. An option would be multi-line is equals to true, since our JSON file has multiple lines, so we'll using the multi-line is equals to true, which provides us the proper format of this JSON file. And now we'll load this file here and pass the path where our file exists. JSON file name is sample2.json. Okay, let me shoot, let me see the output and show you the print schema. So it show you the type of its element, div dot show, div dot print schema. Okay, so print schema will tell you that which option we can use. So let me run this program here. You see here is the schema structure. Okay, address, struct type, age, this one is array type, this one is also struct type, this one is array type, and this one is struct type. Okay, so these are the string. So for string we'll simply use we will it's a hierarchy in JSON file. Okay, so first of all, you use the explode method or option to explode this array into a struct. Okay, so for using the explode, we will create a new data frame df1 dot, and using df with column method here, we will use this phone number. We'll export this phone number, and for exploding this column, we'll be using explode keyword. Now phone number. Okay, so let me print it again. Let me see the print schema again of this data frame. So after exploding, this must be converting into the struct type. So for struct type, we'll be using the dot operator. So here you can see it has become the struct type. Oh, this one is also a struct type. This one is also a struct type. So here to convert it into data frame, we'll be using dot operator simply here. df2 val df2 dot is equals to df1 dot select. So how we will be using dot operator, I'll show you. So first we'll read this column address dot in a different hierarchy, so address dot cd would be. Second would be address dot state. Third would be address dot city. Street address, sorry, it's street address. And next would be age, because age is in address lane, so we will simply pass the age here. We will not use dot operator because it doesn't have a hierarchy here. Next would be first name, gender, last name, and phone number has again hierarchy, number and type. So first we will read the number, and next would be phone number dot type. Sorry, it's type. Now we'll close the bracket here. Okay, so here you have seen that we have used dot operator to convert it into the data frame. Now we will print it df2 dot show, and we'll see if it has been converted into data frame or not. df2 dot show. See here, it has been converted into proper data frame or into a table format. Okay, so here what we did, we read the JSON file and convert it into the table format into data frame. Okay, so I told you that three options we'll be using according on the based on the type of the element. Okay, so first multi-line true, because JSON file has multi-line capability. And second, uh, in second options, I use explode to explode the phone number, because phone number was of array type. So for in order to convert an array type, we'll be using the explode method. And third is if once if the element is of struct type, then we'll be simply using the dot operator. Okay, so now we have got the expected output. So that's all in today's video. If you like my video, don't forget to hit like button, subscribe my channel, and also hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you so much.